astronomical quest is North America's most famed astrologer, Mr. Puru Prasad.
You are leading a good life with honesty and dedication and devotion towards God. Your forefathers are very happy. Loka samasta sukhino santu.
Hi everybody, welcome back to Astro Guide, the show that's all about astrology and how it can help you guide your daily life. Now we're going to be giving you your astro forecast, which is in general and it's for everybody, so sit back and relax.
First of all, let us join together to congratulate those who are celebrating their birthday during this week and to those couples who are celebrating their marriage anniversary during this week. May God shower good luck upon them throughout the year. Now your astro forecast, which is always in general. Aries, यानी कि मेष राशि. Aries people, about the business, job related chances of brightness is there. So sun and moon both are shining on your business. So enjoy this week, the success of business or job. Taurus, यानी वृश्चिक राशि. Taurus people will be getting some of you will be getting psychic experiences. Means something connection with the divine. Some of you, those who are interested in that. Otherwise, the others people will also be getting some stroke of good luck with the hidden divine energy. They won't be knowing why they are succeeding that. They say, oh, it's easy for me. So that's what it's going to happen this week for Taurus people. Gemini, yani Mithun Rashi. Gemini people, be careful about your health. Do not worry about the wealth. So do not rush to work, just take care of your health more. Cancer, yani Kark Rashi. Cancer, if you are a young and marriageable age, not yet settled anywhere, so this could prove a lucky week for you. This is a very good week for you people. Leo, yani Singh Rashi. Leo people, you are to work to earn. Nothing is coming to your pocket without your hard work. But hard work will be rewarded. Virgo, yani Kanya Rashi. Virgo people will be daydreaming too much. They will be planning, I will do this thing, this thing, this thing, this thing. Then when it comes to the practicality, then they will be, oh, this is difficult to do. So if you become rigid on your decision, success will be yours.
Okay. Well, on that good note, we're going to take a break, and when we come back, we'll have the rest of the astro forecast, the last 6 signs. Hi everybody, welcome back to Astro Guide. We're going to pick right up with our astro forecast. We left off with Virgo, and now we're going to go to the Libras.
Libra, Tula Rashi, Shruti. Why you are interested in Virgos always?
A girl can't reveal all her secrets, Mr. Krishal. Come on.
Oh.
I'm interested in all the signs.
Yeah. Okay. Libra, Tula Rashi. Libra people, if you are moving to a new house, it will be a lucky week for you. Otherwise also, I suggest to everybody, I cannot give advice. I'm just suggesting this thing. Readjust your furniture of the house. Readjustment, cleaning, deep cleaning, readjustment. All these things will bring positive energy. Because when everything is lying at the same spot, you keep on cleaning, the flow of energy becomes stale. So if we change it, the movement of the energy changes. Scorpio, yani Vrishchik Rashi. Short or long journey will be very thrilling and successful. Any advertised thing, those who need the advertisement, if you do advertisement, you will be rewarded very nicely. Sagittarius, yani ki Dhan Rashi. Sagittarius people will be feeling a bliss of Mother Nature in the form of wealth. Some held up money will come to your pocket, and held up insurance claims, etc., will also come to your pocket. And there is another new opening for a new earning is also possible. This is very lucky week for so far as money matters are concerned for the Sagittarius people. But it's not a jackpot-like situation because the other planets also we are to see sitting in somewhere else. So Capricorn, then Makar Rashi. Whatever you undertake, if you work for it, success is yours. If you are going for an interview, go with full preparation and kiss the success. So success will be showered by Mother Nature, whatever you do for it. Aquarius, Janik Kumbh Rashi. Be careful with your credit card, otherwise some fraudulent situation can take place with you. So be extra careful, please. Pisces, Janik Meen Rashi. Pisces people will be all of a sudden started feeling the depression of last week will turn it into the double the profit this week. So last week, if it was a sluggish due to health, this week is bringing dividends to you in the form of success and cash flow. Thank you for joining us. Till next week, may God bless all of you. Samasta loka sukhino bhavantu. O God, shower this planet with peace, peace, peace and prosperity.
Joining me in this astronomical quest is North America's most famed astrologer, Mr. Puru Kasal.
You are leading a good life with honesty and dedication and devotion towards God. Your forefathers are very happy. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu.